What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Man, these dandelions flying everywhere. But yeah, man, today y'all see the thumbnail, man. I feel like getting to it and boogieing with R&B today. Cause I got these slicks, man. I never put these slicks on, man. I never put these slicks on. I might shoot y'all 2 videos today while I got them on, man. Cause I might take my mother-in-law for a ride rest too for another video. Or either I might keep them on and do it tomorrow. Cause I said I ain't gonna take them right off. Cause I need to put the 6s back on dolo, which I'm probably gonna do that today. Cause say I only have room for one set of rims sitting in the garage, man. They be in the way. That's why I put my rim back on. Cause I can stack all my race wheels back up, but the rim, man, ain't no room to be stacking rims, so they gotta stay on the car. But I'm finna get these things swapped over, man. She look good on. She look good, boy. She clean, but she still clean. Good gracious, woohoo! Boy, they call her clean, boy. This is a clean car, man. This is a clean car. It's basic and clean, man. Simple is more to me, always. But anyway, she finna look good on the racing wheel too. So we finna do presto change though, and turn y'all back on, man. We're gonna go make this hit and get that outside footage, man. So I'm finna get to it before wife have to leave, so we can see what she moving like. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, time to get to it, man. NASCAR wheel change. Hey, I don't know. See, if y'all been watching a long time, y'all remember them days I was doing it with that 4-way. Still getting it in for y'all, man. Change these tires on and off with a 4-way. Hey, got quick with that too. Boy, that thing right here, best thing I ever spent money on. I was talking to Cuzzo about it yesterday. I mean, the best thing I spent some money on. So, got that on. Oh, Lord. Dang, you know, man, what? I keep that double clean through. Boy. That double windows all the way across the car. I booted that. Alright. Got this up. Try to take out running. Try to take out running, man. Had to go get him. Had to go get him. Yes, sir, man. RnB said. RnB said she can get down with the boys too. She can get down with the boys too. Don't sleep. She said don't sleep. She said girl power. That's what she said, girl power. I like this old car though, man. For it to be a 350, man, I'm pleased with it. I still ain't got a chance to put this one on dyno. I will keep it real with y'all. Yeah, I ain't put this one on dyno since I remixed it. but I definitely need to, cause y'all know what my goal was. My goal was just to hit 400 rear wheel horsepower. That's all I want. It could be 401. I'd be happy. That's all I want to see. I think I'd have did it, but I don't know. I could be wrong. I could be right at it. But I think I did the combo. So, zipping this thing on. And I'm gonna hit that other side. Then we're gonna get in there, the drag it, and see what happens. So I see she getting these her track shoes on. Turn y'all back on. Alright, she got it done. We got it done. I meant she on the Go Fast shoes, man. Whew, it's a hot one today. It's a hot one today, man. I got it done though. But yeah, she mounted up. Finna see what she do. Catch some outside footage. See what kind of time she put down, cause she felt a little good the last time she went out. Now she ran the second pass on the wheels. She ran her personal best at that track. She ran her personal best. She done went faster now, but she ran her personal best at that track on that second pass. So when the air started to cool off, but you now if I'm probably gonna keep these things on all day. Cause when it get cool at night, I'm probably gonna go out there, make a hit. Cause that blower, the cool air does make more power, and the car does run faster, man. So, man, I'm gonna set the GoPro up, drag it, all that stuff, man. We're gonna catch the outside footage, man. We're gonna see what old girl getting down like, man. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, checking in. So, head out here to Mexico. See what old RnB gonna do. See if I can lay down a personal best, man. See if I can lay down a personal best, get her off the line pretty good. Cause that was most of it on the line, man. You can get these cars off the line, get them to moving quick as possible. You can make some stuff happen. So yeah, what we about to do, man. It's been a long time since I ran over RnB. Turn some RPMs on these tires. Well, I set that car when I built my car, man. I set them for a certain weight. I knew I was gonna put 24s on this car, and they meant to stay on there. I geared the car accordingly. The funny thing is, I never put I have never had the 14-inch cutlass rallies on this car since I did the remix, man. I don't know, she'll probably spin them out now. Yeah, man, wife already should be already up here, ready to roll. Rock and roll, man. Let's see right here. Alright, we're checking in, man. We back. She did pretty good. She did pretty good, man. Especially for her to be in the heat, man. RnB, you know, that blower, boy. For it to be this hot, it's 90-something degrees. She did pretty good, man. I can't even complain. I can't complain at all, man. But what I'm about to do right now is go ahead and get these wheels off here, man. I'm finna get these off. I put these on just to make the video for y'all, man. I could take it to the track, but I'm gonna get these wheels off here, put her back on the fold, man. She said that's enough playtime for me. So I'm finna mount these fold back on, man, and holler at y'all on some stuff. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, checking in. So RnB is back on she back on the 24s. She done did what she got to do. It hot, man. I just been chilling today. Cause when I say it's too hot, man. But what I'm about to do now is I'm gonna put RnB up. I was gonna drive it cause we gotta go to AutoZone, man. We gotta get some parts for wifey's car. So I'm gonna show y'all what I gotta pick up. And we're gonna head over there. I might stop by Lawless, man, see what he got going on. Cuzzo say he gonna pull up too, so I'm finna put this nag up, then turn y'all back on, so y'all just stay tuned. Alright, we're checking in, y'all. So we done hit AutoZone. Y'all see Cuzzo pulled up. Yeah. Man, handling business. Y'all got y'all too low. Y'all see Dolo, man, back mounted up. Back in big wheel trim. Like I said, I done made the adjustments, man, so now back in, like I said, big wheel trim now. These guys gonna be on for a second, man. They gonna be on for a second, man. Probably the next 3-4 weeks, these wheels gonna be on here. Cause I probably end up renting the track soon. I probably rent the track soon, man, cause I've been saying that, but I'm gonna put it like this. Whenever I get meets done, I'm gonna rent the track. Cause I'm gonna make it worthwhile. I'm gonna rent the track for myself, private, but so I can get some good video for y'all. But I'm gonna make it worthwhile. I ain't renting it just for one car. So when meets get done, man, I'm gonna have arrangement, man. I'm gonna have all on down there. Meets, Dolo, brown coat, RnB. I might take Nana, I don't know. But I'm at least have three. I'm at least have them three: Meat, Dolo, and Brown Coat. I'm at least have them three. I mean, I really don't care about taking RnB, cause I don't wanna beat on her, man. But them three, I'm a renting and stuff, man. So, but Meat's got to get done. Like I said, man, the cookout next week. My birthday cookout next week. I ain't got a chance to get that part. So yeah, and somebody put in a comment on one of the videos, like, why you don't just put on the trailer and tow it? And I was like, you know what, that's a good idea. I might just put on the trailer so it can at least be out there. Y'all can see it in person, what it look like on the wheel. Cause last year I ain't have meats either. But I could have put on the trailer last year. I just didn't feel like fooling with it. But I might do that. But yeah, man, old Dolo back mounted up. I ain't got a chance to go run it with the new rear end car. Shoot, we were headed back, man. We were chilling over there at Lawless. We were headed back, man, and rain just popped up, pop-up shower out in the middle of nowhere. So, man, we had a little window of time. I throw the wheels back on, and shoot, we ready to roll. So, I might take it to the track. Tomorrow on these wheels, man. I might. And I'll show y'all some of the pass. But I ain't gonna show everything. Not right now. I'm gonna hold off. But I might take the track tomorrow, probably. Me and little bro probably end up going and all that. So, you know. But hit AutoZone. I gotta show y'all what we got. I'm gonna show y'all another vlog and all of that. And then we're gonna keep it rolling. Hold on. Hey, cuz, you move the one color. Let's see. But yeah, we're gonna keep it rolling. Oh, the keys over there though. But yeah, nah, my key, the one with all the keys on it. Yeah. But yeah, man, shit, I'm glad they called back. Like I tell the cousin, I'm finna go ahead and get the AC line made, radiator. I'm gonna get the radiator put in. I'm gonna go ahead and have the AC line made within probably next week sometime. And man, I'm gonna start driving it again with the AC on. The windows ain't never coming down. And this seat, like I said, I'm so tired of waiting to have somebody try to fabricate this seat in here. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take the seat out, and so my kid can ride in the car. They have never rode in this car because of the interior. I ain't had the seat belts and all that buckling in. So we ain't never got a chance to ride in Dolo as a family. This the only car. So yeah. And of course the truck, can't ride in the truck. We done rode in Nana. We done already rode in Nana a few times. We ride in RnB all the time. We ain't never got a chance to ride in Dolo. So I'ma straighten it out. But yeah, man, that's it, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.